What if I tell you a bike that looks simple but can literally replace your car for daily life? Yeah, I'm talking about the Honda NC750L 2026. And trust me, this one's not what it looks like. So here's the deal. Honda just dropped the NC750L 2026, and it's not trying to be flashy, it's trying to be smart. This bike is built for real riders, daily commuters, weekend cruisers, and honestly, people who are tired of wasting money on gas and maintenance. But the real question is this the most practical motorcycle in 2026? Engine and performance. Under the hood, you're getting a 745cc parallel twin engine, smooth, reliable, and built to last. It's not crazy fast, and that's intentional, because this bike is tuned for torque, not top speed. So in city traffic, this thing feels like a cheat code. But here's the twist. It also comes with DCT, which means no clutch, no manual shifting. Yeah, you can ride it like a scooter or switch to manual when you want control. लेकिन असल बात ये है, once you try DCT, going back feels outdated. Design and practicality. At first glance, it looks clean, minimal, almost boring. But don't judge it fast, because Honda did something genius here. A built-in storage compartment where the fuel tank usually is. You can literally fit a helmet inside. Yeah, no backpack needed. Fuel tank moved under the seat. Weight distribution perfect. And suddenly, this simple bike becomes one of the smartest designs out there. Tech and features. Now let's talk tech. Full digital TFT display, smartphone connectivity, riding modes, traction control, ABS for safety. Everything you actually need. Nothing extra, nothing gimmicky. लेकिन यहाँ एक छोटा सा twist है. Honda didn't overload it with useless tech. Why? Because this bike is about real-life usability. Pricing and value. Now pricing, expected somewhere around $9,000 to $10,000 range in the US. And honestly, for what it offers, it's a solid deal. Low maintenance, insane fuel efficiency, and Honda reliability. This isn't just a bike, it's a long-term investment. Soft CTA, natural. By the way, if you're into real bike updates like this, not hype, just pure facts, make sure you hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Reality check, engagement boost. Now let's be honest, this bike is not for everyone. If you want speed, loud exhaust, aggressive styling, this might feel boring. But if you want comfort, practicality, and something you can ride every single day, then this might be one of the best choices in 2026. और यही असल game है, not what looks cool, but what actually works. So here's the final question. Would you pick the Honda NC750L 2026 for daily life, or would you still go for a traditional sporty bike? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm reading everything. And trust me, the next bike we are covering might shock you even more.